Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Baby Boomer Living My Best Life. I'm your name, and today we're diving into an exciting topic that can change your financial future: passive income ideas. If you want to learn how to make money while you sleep, then keep watching. Passive income is a game changer because it allows you to earn money without actively working for it. Let's explore some of the best passive income ideas out there. Ready? Let's go! First up, we have investments. This includes stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. By investing in these financial instruments, you can earn dividends and interest over time. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more you can benefit from compound interest. Next, let's talk about real estate. Investing in rental properties can provide a steady stream of income. You can also look into real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of managing properties. Online businesses are another fantastic way to generate passive income. This can be anything from creating an online course, starting a blog, or even selling digital products like ebooks or e-learning classes. Once the initial work is done, these can continue to bring in revenue with minimal ongoing effort. There are plenty of other ways to generate passive income as well. You could consider affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. Or you might explore creating a YouTube channel and earning ad revenue. The possibilities are endless. The key to building passive income is to start with one or two ideas that resonate with you and stick with them. Over time, you can diversify and add more streams of passive income. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. And leave a comment below with your favorite passive income idea or any questions you might have. Until next time, keep living your best life.